welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to be doing today, I know I told you I was going to be doing a Dollar Tree 4th of July DIY, but I can't find some of my material. I've looked in my craft room upside down and I don't know where I've put it. I know that I thought, oh, I'll put it here so I won't lose it, and I've lost it. So I'm a mess, what can I say? So I'm still going to bring you a Dollar Tree DIY. I've had many requests to show how you can use stickers in like a DIY. Not your planner, but just as a DIY. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a farmhouse DIY from the Dollar Tree using some of their stickers and some of their other little items. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really, I think it's going to be cute, farmhouse DIY. You'll need some of these chalkboard stickers. You can use any of them that you want. And I've just got this one that says thankful. I thought this one might look better in my little DIY. Then you'll need one of these Crafter's Square little chalkboard easels. Okay, and then you'll need some of Dollar Tree's rope and then a glue gun. And it's that simple to make. And I think, like I said, I think this is going to give a really cute look if you just want to set it somewhere in a vignette, or you want to put it like on an end table, or maybe in your bathroom, or just in your kitchen tucked away somewhere. I think it will be really cute. First, let me show you these earrings I picked up at Walmart. I love them. They're for the 4th of July, and I want there to have a heart, and then they have the red, white, and blue. So I know a lot of you like to, dress up for the different holidays. So if that's what you're interested in, go to Walmart and check it out. You get 3 pairs of earrings, and I think it was like $2 and something. It was a steal of a deal. Okay, so let me get this camera turned down, and we'll get started with this farmhouse DIY from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we're just going to open our stickers. You can use whatever stickers that you wanted. I can't believe I lost some of my stuff. I am a total mess. Okay, I'm going to pull off this thankful like this because I want it to look like chalkboard effect, okay? And you could put it anywhere you want it. I think I'm going to put mine right about here, okay? And that's what we're getting. Now this right here, has multi-layers, and I'm going to have to put just like either a glue dot or a little bit of hot glue and glue that down. But I think so far that looks really cute. I mean, if you had a Cricut, you could do this, but if you don't need one. Okay, and then I love this barrel. It's so pretty. I want it to look like, I hope you can see, I'll bring it up in a minute. I want it to look like it's spilling off from the side. Look at that, how adorable that is. You don't have to use all of these stickers, definitely not. Then I think I'm going to look at this and maybe put this one right here. Isn't that so sweet? And it's so easy to do. And then, let's look at this faithful. I kind of like it turned like that, but then I feel like I need something in the middle, but I'm going to put it kind of crooked. Look how cute this is. This would be a wonderful gift. Okay, and do we want to put anything else on here? Let me look at this hat. I don't want to overwhelm it. No, don't want to put the hat. Let's look at these little tools. I can put that one there. I think this is cute, just like this. See how easy you can make a little DIY from the Dollar Tree? This is so simple, so economical. I have $2 in this, okay? All right, now I'm going to get a little bit of this hot glue. And just push that down. Okay, and this is what we have so far. You could leave it like this. I may put that rope around it from the Dollar Tree. And we see, we didn't use all of our stickers at all, so we still have those left over. So let's see, I don't want to overwhelm it. I think I do. I think I want to put that on there. I think I'm going to start with this right down here because I want it to end, I think, at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna get my hot glue. Like I said, this is totally optional whether you do this or not. Just going to put some right down through here. And press that down. Then I'm going to take it right along through here this time. Put some glue. And I'm going to turn it and push down really tight because I don't want it to stick up. See, I think that already looks so cute, okay? Then we're just going to take it right across the top here. And then come down this side. I mean, whatever stickers you have, you could do that. And matter of fact, you could just stop like on this side and not bring it underneath. But I'm going to bring it underneath because I think it'll look really cute. But it's totally up to you what you do. Okay, and then we're going to push this, that like that. And then I think I'm going to take this Okay, here it is. I think this is adorable. And don't glue your rope to this. I did that, but it came off. But just be careful that you have it open. But look how cute this is. So simple to make a farmhouse little piece of decor from the Dollar Tree. So if you add the rope, $3, but I already had the rope. So basically I have $2 in this. And it is so adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I'll see you on Monday for some type of Cricut DIY. I'm not sure. It will probably incorporate the Dollar Tree. And then on Tuesday, I'll have a Dollar Tree DIY. Who knows if it will be the one for 4th of July or not. It depends on if I can find my item. We're supposed to work on our back porch this weekend, which I'm really excited about. I want to get it finished before the 4th. But if I'm doing that, I don't know how much time I'll have to go in there and try to find it because I've looked pretty good and I don't know where I stuck it. Some of you might remember I hauled these little silver balls that came off of these like sticks, and it was for parties, but I said you could use it for a lot. That's what I'm looking for, and I can't do my DIY without it. So I'll come up with some awesome little DIY for Tuesday. Bigger than this though. So let's go take a look of how this would look if you would just set it out somewhere. I'll be right back. Okay, here you can see what it looks like just sitting in here in my utility room with my other little things that I have in here. We're not finished with the utility room yet. We have 2 major projects that we're doing, and it's hard to get them all done with limited amount of time. But this is how it looks just sitting around. I think that is so pretty. It looks like it really is chalkboard on there. I just love how this turned out. You really can decorate your home very inexpensively with items from the Dollar Tree in the farmhouse style. So until next time, bye guys.